people in my team are the very best at what they do. Gifted engineers, devoted craftsmen, exceptional minds, exceptionally skilled. We harness these skills and use them to develop special vehicles that excel in terms of luxury, performance, and capability. And that's how we're able to create vehicles that completely redefine luxury. Vehicles that take performance to unparalleled levels. Vehicles that will continue to build on our heritage of supreme capability. It all started with a clear vision to take the great products being created by Jaguar Land Rover and make them even greater. So that every vehicle that leaves our doors is worthy of this badge.